to my channel. I know I have not been posting in a very long time, and so this video is gonna be a Valentine's Day unboxing combo.
Yeah, a little late, but still.
Very late, but whatever, you know, we still get it, you know, done. So anyway, I ordered my love of my life, my boyfriend, some treats from Dr. Squash.
Shit.
Dr. Squash soap product. Oh, I can't. It's just too white, so whatever. All right, let's go ahead. And then I also have my makeup subscription that I usually get. I got my what's it called? My package. So for the month of February, again, Valentine's Day just happened. Arturo did a really lovely dinner for me, and so let's get to this unboxing. Go ahead, baby.
Yeah, I'm good.
Wait.
Am I a friend?
Let's get this way, yeah.
I am not a friend. Hold up. Ooh, smell that shit. Smell it.
Because it smells
Smells
really
amazing.
good. It's really, really good. It smells.
Oh, yes. It's the Bow Chicka Wow Wow.
Bow Chicka Wow Wow.
I can see it.
Dr. Squash soap. Squash soap, all natural soap bar.
It smells amazing. I love these guys. We're gonna be buying more from them, but this is a nice start.
Yes, so let me tell you guys a little bit about this product. Again, it's made in the US. Hold on, let that focus. Okay, well, it's not gonna focus today. And it honestly, I wish you guys could smell this. This smells like velvet, red velvet cake, or like.
It smells like the forest.
Smells like the forest. It's made from 5 natural essential oils, no harsh chemicals, handcrafted, and the box is completely recyclable. Go ahead and read them their story.
Oh yeah. So, you're done with this, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We all have human obligations, but as men, we still desire to be wild, free, and natural like Sasquatch. Turn your shower up a notch and unleash your inner man. With Dr. Squash, soap that's full of the simple and natural ingredients your body loves and deserves. And it smells like it too.
Wait. Okay, yeah. So, sorry, we had to cut that because I was pretty pale. The lighting is still pretty
too harsh,
bright.
yeah.
But whatever. Okay,
Yeah.
so keep going.
It also, it's made with like ingredients you can actually read, and it smells amazing. Better than I thought it was going to, honestly. It also came with this organic cologne. It's still too bright to see.
Hold on. There you go. Can you see it? There you go. It's focusing. Ah, yay.
Yeah.
And this is the soap. Okay, go on.
It came with this organic cologne, and honestly, I may like the smell of the cologne a little bit more than I like the smell of the soap, because it's actually amazing. It's beechwood and bourbon, because they know I like bourbon. Dr. Squash All Naturals colognes use organic, well-crafted oils to create the perfect scent for a wild gentleman. And it's perfect for me. I'm going to be using this shit until it runs out, and then order some more. Yes.
It smells really good.
Yeah.
God. Do you want to read?
Oh, yes. Hold up. So, it came with a little note. Welcome to the new beginning of smelling and feeling like half man, half beast. So go ahead and throw away any of that liquid crap you got from your mom or Haley and start washing up like a real man you are. Shower facts. Guys take showers more frequently than women, which is very true.
Absolutely.
Absolutely true. I shower every morning.
So yeah, super happy about this. Yay.
It was a good purchase.
Good purchase.
Good purchase.
Now, Arturo is going to be here for my unboxing of my, why is it still so bright? Unboxing of my Etsy subscription, so let's go ahead and get her done. So I already kind of unpackaged it to kind of see what is going on. It's a soft pink velvet bag, little makeup bag that it came in for the month of February. Again, it has the little need to know, little need to know about the products. So I'm gonna go ahead and read this, but so here I'm just gonna rip it out. So again, it came with this really nice velvet pink bag, and yeah, it's like, oh yeah, okay. It's like, yeah, it's not focusing, like the lighting is really bad.
So bright.
Yeah, it's like,
There we go,
hold on.
we go. So shocked.
Yeah, you know what? This lighting is much better. We fixed
We apologize for the changes in lighting. You know, I know this video is gonna be all over the place, but we figured it out.
We really did. Like, God. Okay, it's because I'm pale as fuck. But anyway.
Yeah, we both are.
So the first things first is I got this anti-matter lipstick in Bang, and it's this little black piece. Let me go ahead and open it. I'm actually really in love with the color, so I actually cannot wait to use this. Put the little thing there. There it is. That is the color. It's like a peach. I'm already kind of wearing lipstick, so we'll just go ahead and test a little bit here. Yeah, it's really, it's like my color. Like, that's like a perfect shade for me. So yeah, that's like, definitely will be using that. Okay, and then I have a Marcy hand cream Hello Shine, which is this piece right here. Hold on. Oh my god, the lighting is just horrid. Okay, anyway, I can't fix this lighting right now, so we're just gonna have to deal with it. It smells like citrusy. It smells really citrusy. It's a hand cream. Let me go ahead and, I can't open it. Arturo, can you open it? Oh, here, I got it.
Yeah.
Alright, so here's the hand cream. Got a little bit of my lipstick on it. Oh, it smells really good. You want to try some?
Ooh.
It smells really good. Oh, it's extremely oily.
I think that's the idea.
Yeah, that's... Oh, it smells like oranges. It's citrusy. So yeah, that's that Hello Sunshine hand cream. Definitely like this product. We'll bring this one to work. And then I got the Tula, the Cult Classic Purifying Face Cleanser. So which is this one? It says probiotics and superfood. So it's this teal product. Yeah, the lighting is just not gonna work for us. So whatever. Again, all these two products are vegan, so super happy about these two. It is a face cream, cleans and effective. Oh, clean and effective. Okay, so I gotcha. So it's clean and effective. Let me see if it has an odor.
I don't think it did.
No. Well, it kind of smells floral. And then we have the Tarte Sex Kitten liquid liner in black, which is this guy here. It's the Tarte, and even has a little cat at the end of the liner stick. So I will use this. However, it isn't waterproof, and honestly, I don't. We'll just keep in mind for this one. I have a lot of makeup sticks currently. I'm trying to use up one instead of continuously opening a brand new one. So yeah. And then I have It Cosmic Your Skin But Better Primer plus oil free. So let me go ahead and open this to make sure it's in my shade. Oh, well, actually it's a primer, but it's like a clear primer. So I don't know how I feel about clear primers yet. Again, I really didn't use the last primer they gave me just because, I don't think I'm going to use that. It's kind of...
Smells a little weird.
It smells weird. Anyway, it's makeup gripping base plus pore refiner and hydrator. And it's an all-day protection. It's just a little sampler. I definitely don't think I'm going to use this. So, yeah, those are my 5 products that I got, plus my little bag from Etsy. And it is a sad day because I have officially decided that I am no longer going to do this Etsy subscription. Just because I think it's a waste. I don't really utilize all the little crappy samples that they send me, and I'm just spending way too much money on things that they kind of get for free, and it's kind of ruining our environment. So
yeah, it's a lot of plastic.
Yes, lots and lots of plastic. So sad news, I am stopping my Etsy subscription, so I will not be doing any more unboxing from them. So this is my last Etsy subscription unboxing, unfortunately. So yeah, that's pretty sad, but it's also good for the environment, so I'm super happy that I am not going to do this. I'm making a really responsible decision anyway because they overcharge me for what they give me, so yeah. Any other comments?
Nope.
Nope. Alrighty,
we'll probably
guys.
spend more on Dr. Squash.
Yes, we will spend more on Dr. Squash because it's way more sustainable than this Etsy subscription. So definitely will be doing yeah. Anyway, alrighty, guys. That's it for this video. You know, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you all. Arturo, got anything else to say?
Nope.
Alright. Bye, guys.